We started this last year as a volunteer / recommendation.
Yeah, it's always fun getting voluntold for stuff like this.
We got so much positive feedback from both employees and people online about what a fun place it is to be and wanting to do it again and how much fun they had that we said, well, we'll do it again.
I think it's important because it brings all different functional areas of the company together. It allows people to interact and sit in a more relaxed environment and get to talk with some of their coworkers that maybe they don't associate with on a daily basis.
People get to participate by buying tickets. It's $1 a ball for each throw. It's no limit on it. But the money that we raise is being donated this year to the Einstein Project. This is something that was chosen by employees. The Einstein Project is an organization that helps middle students and high school students get introduced to STEM education, so science, technology, engineering, and math. And that's a lot of what we do, so we thought it would be a great way to get new people interested in learning about these areas.
Well, here at EMT, we really try to focus on having fun events for the employees. Our activities committee has done an excellent job of surveying the team and finding things people are interested in. You know, we had the Rockers game. This year we had a trap shooting event, and this is our third cookout of the year for employee appreciation for the summer, and backed by popular demand. The team wanted to bring back the dunk tank, and here I am, first on the list to be in there again, so I guess it makes people smile to dunk the boss. So I'll play along, and again, seeing the employees, heckling them a little bit, and seeing the smile on their face if they actually do hit the target, that'll be a good time, and it's a beautiful day out for it.
It's kind of becoming our end of the summer. Like, thank you to our interns, thank you to all our employees. Let's have one last fun hurrah before the end of the summer and everybody goes back to school, and we really kick in gear for the fall.
Okay, now I'm ready.
I feel proud. I feel proud that all the things we do every day are making a difference, because when you really see it come to life in an event like this, you see people wanting to come out and volunteer to help out. You see people laughing and enjoying time together away from work. You see people just really wanting to be a part of it because it's something different that you don't get everywhere else.